Welcome to Tech Auto AI. Let's understand how we can generate and upload homeworks. As you can see, there are two options: generate homework and upload homework. In the generate homework, full end-to-end homework is created by our AI agent based on our uploaded materials. Once you click on this, you need to give the basic details for this homework, like title, standard, due date, branch, batch and subject. Based on your selected standard and subject, the respective uploaded material of that is fetched and all the chapters in that material will be visible. You can select any particular chapters, so based on those a homework question and model answer key will be created. You can also select the count and types of question like MCQ and short long answers. Secondly, we have the upload homework, where we can upload our own homework questions and our AI agent can generate the model answer for same. We need to pass the same details here as well. Once that's done, we have to upload our homework question so that our AI agent can generate the model answer, or if you have your model answer ready, you can upload it. So need to extract model answer. Model answer key is required to evaluate students' submitted homeworks. You can see that our homework get generated. We can view it as well. This is the model answer key. You can view and edit the model answer key just in case of minor mistakes so that your homework evaluations stay accurate. After everything is set and verified, you can publish the homework so that they can appear in students' dashboard so they can submit their respective homeworks. Once students submit the homework, we can view their submissions. As you can see here, we can view the overall analytics of each homework and download it as well in Excel sheet. Each student can see their complete evaluation of the homework, like rating, submission time, accuracy, completion rate and feedback to them. Also, we can download any student's homeworks directly from here and view it. That's it. Now you are good to go and try it out. Feel free to reach out us at support@algorithm.com. Thank you for watching.